I guess here 4 plus 18 is 22 divided by 2 times 3 minus 1 in bracket whole square. Here 22 divided by 2 is 11 times 3 minus 1 in bracket whole square. Here 11 times 3 minus 1 is 2 square. Now 11 times 2 power 2 is 4. Here 11 times 4 is 44 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 44 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, A stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before this operation. Here 4 plus 18 divided by 2 times, here 3 minus 1 is 2 power 2. Here the next priority is exponent. We have exponent here 2 power 2. We have to do this 2 power 2 before this operation. Here 4 plus 18 divided by 2 times 2 power 2 is 4. Here we have addition, division and multiplication. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this division and multiplication before this addition. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right. Here left to right is 18 divided by 2. So 4 plus 18 divided by 2 is 9 times 4. Here we have addition and multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition. Here 4 plus 9 times 4 is 36 equal to 4 plus 36 is 40 is the correct answer.